Okay, now we're going outside. 3 days after the snowstorm, we're still covered in snow. Down there's the garage, and there's my barbecue grill with almost 22 inches of snow on it. Oop. And there's the path that Polo and I made. He likes it. Oh, I gotta go down to the garage again. I see that blue shut last night. Yeah. So we'll take a walk down here. Look at all the yellow snow Polo makes. He's something. He's a real pisser. It's over his head. There's no way he can walk in this stuff. Get back here, Polo. Come on. You can't do that. Come on, you stay in the path. Okay, go ahead. Of course, the birds don't have any food. We ran out of food because they ate so much. And now we have to go to town and take the mail in after 3 days and of no mailman. And we have to get bird food and food for us. Yes, it's not too nice when the snow comes. Where the hell is Spring? There he goes again. There's the snow carvings from the wind. Oh, it's deep. Oh, Polo. Your feet hurt already? Come on, are they cold? Are you getting cold feet? Come on this way. And here's the front yard. How do you like that? There's all the branches that blew off the trees from the high winds we had. There's the snow up on the roof. Luckily the patio roof didn't come down. And nothing seriously happened. So that's good. Looks like another world out here. Look at that thing. That's just from the wind. There's the blazer. That's pretty well socked in. Ay, what a lot of work. What a lot of work this was. You stay here, Polo. Don't go out on the road. Stay here. Well, today we have to get the car out. So that's about it. We don't have any more to say. It's a lot of work. If it wasn't for the snowblower, I'd be dead. Okay, goodbye.